Everyone. So I'm going to ask you a question, and before I ask the question, I would like to show you this board, right? So this board is full of clutter, right? Now, what I will do is I will clean this board. So I have cleaned this board. Now you tell me, this looks better or earlier it was good? I'm sure your answer is that this looks much better because it's very clean, right? So guys, one thing which I would like to convey to all of you is our mind always like clarity, right? Our mind doesn't like confusion because when our mind is in confusion, we will never be able to take any action. So I would like to share with you one concept which I am going to, which I am sure that it's going to help you all, is that which I have also shared last time, that energy plus time. This is something which is invaluable. You cannot, it is so valuable, like, you cannot buy this, right? So energy and time, you cannot buy it. Now the problem with us is, say, suppose this is us and the complete board is our mind. So when our mind is clear, then our energy and time will be in constructive thing rather than in destructive thing. So for an example, what we do in and day out is we gather all the clutter from around our environment on daily basis. So if you see this, we take so much clutter from our outer environment in terms of unnecessary phone calls, WhatsApp. Nowadays, there's so many groups, and you have to, you know, reply in all the groups. Then, third one, what? There's something called as decision fatigue. You know what is called as decision fatigue? Decision fatigue is we try to waste our time in unnecessary decisions. What I wanted to have it in the morning, what I would like to have in the afternoon, what I would like to have in the evening, night, what I'm going to wear today, what I will, wear so that I'll feel and look good. All those decisions are creating a lot of clutter in our mind. Unnecessary, we are wasting our time in unnecessary things. Now, if you see unnecessary phone calls, WhatsApp, decision fatigue, which I have already shared with all of you, then you see live streamings, social media, all these things which makes a life miserable, because we gather so much information from outside and we become completely confused, and our energy and time will go in dealing with these things like social media, live streaming, watching Netflix, Hotstar, or whatever it is. Decision fatigue, spending time in thinking what to eat and what to wear. WhatsApp, always spending time in WhatsApp, sending messages, if someone has sent a message back to you or not, and unnecessary phone calls. Right, friends? If we remove all these distractions from our life, like phone calls, nothing more than 45 minutes in a day. Anything more than 45 minutes in a day is a killer. Second point, WhatsApp messages, all those groups which is not adding any value, remove it. Only concentrate, because nowadays official all communications is happening through WhatsApp. Keep it that. Remove all the notifications. See once or twice or maximum thrice in a day, right? Then unnecessary, make your program very clear, that what I would like to have in the morning, afternoon and evening. Make a timetable, paste it in your kitchen, so that you are not spending your time. Dresses, Everything, you should be very clear that what I'm going to wear on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so that you don't have to spend your time in that. Remove all Netflix vagara, everything from your life, and I'm sure guys, you will see you are left with lot of time and energy which you can use in constructive things. Hope you are liking my videos. Thank you so much. Requesting you to please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.